Welcome to 1818 Farms. I'm the owner, Natasha McCrary, and it's an exciting time at the farm right now. We're a couple of weeks away from spring and only about 3 weeks away from lambing. And also, where we are today is we're in our hellebore patch. And I'm going to kind of let you look down. This really means, if you kind of look down at these beautiful flowers, that spring is coming. This is one of our earliest flower crops that come into season. This with our double tulips and our anemones. And I'm in just a naturalized area that has hundreds of hellebores. So I thought this would be the perfect place for us to do our unboxing today. What we're going to be doing, I'm very excited about this box. For years, we've been asked for a bath lovers box. So today we're going to be unboxing our brand new for spring 1818 Farms Bath Lovers box. So this is how it will look when it comes to you. It'll come in a box with our cute little tape. It could have ice depending on what season it is. If it's we're really careful about shipping. If it's above 80 degrees, we've included an ice pack so everything gets to you in perfect condition. So we're just going to open this up. So excited about this. I love when we bring a new product to market for our customers. So we're going to open this up. And this is such a cute box. I'm so excited about this. This is a brand new box that we just added into the lineup. It's closed with a beautiful waxed linen cord, so you can slide it right off. Bring it down. But what I love about this box is we've never had a box like this. It's a magnetic closure, and it's reusable, and it's adorable. So it's a great box here. And when you open the box up, we're going to kind of tell you what all is in the box. So we're known for 3 bath soaks, and we've never really had it where it's more of an affordable price that you can have all the soaks at once. Usually you had to buy all of, a bigger size. So these are a smaller size truffle. We had a new Bath Crush Mini this year, and then we have our traditional bath tea. We're going to go through that. So the first thing that we have, this is going to be what's called a bath truffle, and it's perfect for when you're wanting to take a bath. It's going to be skin softening. This has kaolin clay, shea butter, it has cocoa butter, and it's molded into clays and has adornments of some little Himalayan salt and some little steel cut oats. And you just drop it into your bath. It's going to dissolve, and when you finish, you're going to feel like you've applied lotion. Like, this is kind of what I call a maintenance bath, and I love these. Typically, they come in a box, like a galvanized tin. You have 4 baths. But we're offering this single bath for this, just for everyone can really try them. And this is the buttercream scent. Now, the second thing bath is going to be, this is called the Bath Crush. We actually have 6 scents of these, but this holiday season, we launched what's called a Bath Crush Mini. And this is really when you've had a hard day of work. Like, if I'm working at the farm, this is going to be my go-to product because you're getting the benefits of the Epsom salt in here as well as the skin softening of this bath truffle. Because the way we make this is we actually make these truffles and they're cured and they're physically crushed. That's where we get the name Bath Crush. And they're combined with the Epsom salt. And this is scent is called Soothe. It's perfect to add to your bath, and that's going to be my go-to when I've had a hard day at work. And then the last one is going to be probably what we're known the most for is our lavender goat's milk bath tea. And it's got Farrah Fawcett, our little goat on here. And this is what I tell people, our customers, this is when you want to have a spa day at home. And there is no other bath I've ever taken like this. This has raw natural ingredients. It's going to have the powdered goat's milk, then the Himalayan salt, shaved cocoa butter, lavender essential oil, and lavender buds. And you just drop the whole bag, it's in a muslin bag, into your tub, squeeze it, and then you use this bag as a washcloth. So it's super, and you're going to feel so hydrated. We have a lot of spas in the United States who actually use this as a treatment in their spa, and you can do this at your home. And then we wouldn't want to have a box without our popular Shea Cream. And what I tell people is you want to use the bath for your skin softening or your sore muscles, but you need maintenance products that are going to support this. And so, of course, we're going to have our Shea Cream. And for those of you who have used our Shea Cream, simple ingredients as well. This is just shea butter, coconut oil, and a lavender essential oil. And what people really love about this, our customers, it takes a tiny amount, a pea size, and look, it's so light and it looks like whipped cream. Just takes a small amount and a little goes a long way. It's great for hands, feet, body. So this is a great maintenance for our customers. And then finally, we'd also want to have our cuticle bombs. And the cuticle balm is going to have shea butter. It's going to have the beeswax. It also has lavender, some different vegetable extracts and flower extracts. And it's great on your nails, but also any really dry patches you have. Like I'm applying right now on a little spot through the winter. I get these dry spots and just kind of do it as a direct treatment. So this is what we're going to have in our Bath Lovers box. You can go to our website now. It's now live, and this is a great gift for anyone who loves baths. Also, if you're thinking, well, I'm not a huge bath person, we have a lot of customers who will do hand soaks and feet soaks. And what they'll do is they'll take these and just cut them, drop them in, cut them in a fourth, and do a hand and foot. And you can do the same thing with the goat's milk bath tea and the bath crush. So thank you for joining us today. Give us a message if you have any questions about these products, and you can just go to our website, 1818farms.com, and look for the Bath Lovers gift box.